Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Wrangler battery. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eye protection. You will need a few basic tools, including a 10mm and 13mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and of course, a new battery. Your Jeep Wrangler's battery is typically located under the hood on the passenger side, making it easily accessible for replacement. Now, let's disconnect the old battery safely. Always start by using a 10mm wrench to loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. This prevents accidental short circuits. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive battery cable. After both cables are free, unbolt and remove the battery hold-down clamp, which typically uses a 13mm nut. With the clamp removed, carefully lift the old battery straight out of its tray. With the old battery out, it's time to prepare for the new one. First, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal ends of your cables thoroughly. This ensures good contact and prevents corrosion. Now, carefully place the new battery into the cleaned battery tray, making sure it sits firmly and is correctly oriented. Once in place, reinstall and securely tighten the battery hold-down clamp to prevent any movement. Finally, let's reconnect everything. This time, you'll connect the positive battery cable first, tightening it securely with your 10mm wrench. Then, connect the negative battery cable and tighten it firmly. It's crucial to double-check all connections to ensure they are snug and secure, preventing any loose contacts. Once everything is connected, start your Jeep Wrangler to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.